Today I'm going to show you how to properly share and submit your VEX VR week 1 and week 2 assignments. Okay, so the steps for week 1 and 2 are going to be the same. It's just going to be a different assignment which you will be told in class. So first off, you need to go back to the VEX website. You need to go File, Load from your device. Okay. Obviously, if it doesn't automatically pop up for you, you're probably going to want to go into your Google Drive, maybe look at your recents or something like that. Okay. Once you find where you've been saving things, you're going to want to choose the one that I tell you to do. Okay, so let's just say number level 1, maybe. Okay, we're going to click open. Okay, we're going to make sure that the actual code is correct, and then I'm going to hit share in the upper right hand corner. This is where I save it as a PDF. Okay, so add your last name to it and then hit save. Obviously on a Chromebook it may just automatically download, so that's fine, but regardless we're going to be submitting a PDF file. Okay, so once it's there you can open it and see what's going to be turned in. Okay, this is all I want turned in. Alright, just the actual code. So you come back into Canvas. Under your to-do or assignments, you're going to find the appropriate week, and you're going to open it, and then there's a submit assignment option. Okay, so you're going to click that. You're going to go choose file, and wherever you save that, whether it's your Google Drive or if you're on a computer or laptop, maybe on your desktop, okay, wherever you saved that PDF is what you're where you need to find. Okay, and then you find the document. Click open, and it should be right there, and then you are hit to submit. Okay. If for whatever reason you can't find it under file upload, you can try Google Drive and then kind of search in your Google Drive to see if it's in there. Okay. Regardless, you want to make sure that all you're submitting is the actual PDF of the code. Otherwise it will not work.